Hey guys, okay. Hey guys, okay. I'm gonna put you right. Hold on. Oh, that's too far. Hold on. Trying to make sure. Hold on. Right there. Perfect. Okay. I don't own a shovel. I used to own a shovel, but oh my lord, it's ice. Ice, ice, baby. Oh boy. Okay. This is not good. Okay. Holy crap, it's cold. This is not safe at all. How nice theirs is. Well, except up against their doorway, but that's their problem, not mine. So, I'm just trying to make room on my doorstep here. Look at this. Ow. Sorry, guys. Hey. Here we go. I'm going to turn you off and get some of this done and show you, because I can't do this connected to you. So, hold on. Hey guys, it's done. 'Tis done. All of it's taken off the step. Oops, sorry. Oh, that's my floor. But it's all taken off the step now. So, cleanup is complete. And if you want cleaning the front steps and that whole walkway, somebody's out of their mind, because that's not happening. And I'm sure that my neighbor will be telling my landlord that I was filming my steps. But I actually don't care, because I wasn't doing anything wrong. Just showing you what I did. Now, I don't know how much of it I got from before. I'll just have to put the videos together, and because I knocked you over, and yeah, something went wrong. Anyway, oof, there we go. Anyway, so yeah, she'll be telling my landlord, but I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't say anything bad. All I said was I needed to clean it up, and I did need to clean it up, and I did clean it up. Was it difficult? Yes. It's heavy, icy snow. And if you think I'm doing up front, you're absolutely out of your mind. So I have to see what is on here from when I started, before it crashed, and put it together. So it's going to look a little funky, I will tell you that. But now that I have those 2 videos done, and I'm not going to the post office, it's gold. Not that I'm expecting anything anyway, but yeah, so I'm sure she's gonna be telling him, and I don't care. He can see the video. He can see I said nothing wrong. Needed to make more room for the truck and room for Diane and I to get up and down the steps tomorrow. That's all. Like I said, he can see the video if he has any questions. So, just part of the harassment I deal with. And my neighbors will be telling my landlord that I shoveled. Oh boy! And then I videotaped it. Yes, I did. It's part of my ongoing Blizzard series. So, anyway. So, and I did find my shovel. So, I was able to use that. So anyway, I'm going to say goodbye. I'm going to say please subscribe. We only need 29 more. It might be less when I get on. I don't know. It is so cold. Ooh. Anyway, I would be willing to bet it is not 41 degrees. That is sunshine shining on snow and bouncing onto the thermometer. Probably more like 28, 30 degrees, which is average. We are in February. And there is a reason why. At least here in New England, they say March comes in like a lion and out like a lamb. Because it's the beginning of March is winter. And March progresses into spring, hopefully. Not always. Sometimes, even after technical spring starts, we're still in winter. We had a blizzard April 9th. Not even kidding, on my father's birthday. It's like, what the heck? It's supposed to be spring. My father remembered seeing snow coming down in July once when he was a young man. He said it didn't stick, of course, the ground was way too warm. He said it was just weird how it happened. And all of a sudden there's snow coming down. So, one never knows. He told me that story when we had the blizzard on his birthday. He said, honey, I've seen it snow in July. And I've personally seen snowbanks on the side of the road at Memorial Day in Maine. Yeah, we went up there for Memorial Day weekend. My mother says there was a 4th of July weekend we went up there, and there might have been a little bit of snow still on the side of the road, but Memorial Day, I distinctly remember going up there. And it's like, is that what I think it is? My mother's like, yep, that's snow. I'm like, you gotta be freaking kidding me. My mother came here in February of 73 and married my father in August, 6 months later. She met him almost right away. I think they met in like March and got engaged and moved in together in like May. And there was no snow on the ground. Little did she know. And she said, I'm staying here. Because up in Maine, they had a lot of snow on the ground. And, yep, 1978, we had our biggest blizzard of all time. Sorry, Ma, you're still in New England. So, Um, so I'm going to do Blizzard Part 2, the aftermath, Blizzard Part 3, the cleanup, in my little mini blizzard series. So I hope you enjoy the series. Please let me know. I know people have been commenting. And oh, and the next few videos over on Crimes Forgotten by Time will be AI. She hasn't made till March 20th because she was sick. That's why the new voice. Then it'll be her own voice. Because everybody was asking her, because she made a post in her community page. Just to let you guys know. And please pray for little Sebastian. He's sick. If you followed this channel, you know that I follow Sebastian. So he gets sick pretty easily. I get that. And I'm feeling quite a bit better. The antibiotics, you take them for 5 days and they stay active in your system for 5 more, which is why you don't have to take them for 10 days. Like older antibiotics. Part of the reason that they came up with that idea was a lot of people just were not finishing the antibiotics, and then the bug was getting resistant, because they were feeling better, so they stopped it, and the bug was getting resistant. They said there's got to be a way to make people take it. Well, what if we make the duration shorter? And it still works in their system. So they came up with erythromycin derivatives that can do just that. Have a shorter duration. You're not taking it for 10 days twice a day. You're taking it for 5 days once a day. And it still works for the full 10 days. So it's convenient. I've always taken my medicine all the way through, but but I grew up with my mother a nurse's aide. So that's what you did. So thank you so much for being here. Like I said, please subscribe. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. God bless you.